Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Rebecca stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in an even number of chains. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, make 1 triple crochet. Then into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. You're now going to start alternating from here. You're going to make a triple crochet into the next stitch, then a single, then a triple, then a single. You'll start alternating between these 2 stitches for the rest of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, so you can skip this first stitch in our row. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 1 where we made all of these double crochet stitches. So skipping that first stitch because of these chains, you're going to make a double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Rebecca stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.